Hello and welcome. Today, we turn our gaze to one of the most vibrant and intelligent families in the animal kingdom, the parrots. These remarkable birds have captivated human imagination for centuries, but their world is filled with secrets that continue to astound scientists. We will uncover 10 remarkable truths that will change the way you look at these extraordinary birds forever. The ability to replicate sounds from another species is extraordinarily rare. Some parrots are nature's own virtuosos, capable of learning human speech. Their vocal organ, the syrinx, has two sound-producing sides that can be controlled independently, allowing remarkable range and precision. There are over 400 distinct parrot species, from the great hyacinth macaw to the tiny buff-faced pygmy parrot, no bigger than a human thumb. The eclectus parrot shows extreme sexual dimorphism. Males are brilliant emerald green, while females are royal red and purple. Parrots possess intelligence comparable to primates and young children. They demonstrate genuine problem-solving, using tools and understanding cause and effect. Black palm cockatoos use twigs as drumsticks for rhythmic displays, behavior requiring foresight and tool creation. Large macaws can live over 80 years, rivaling human lifespans. A macaw hatching today could be alive in the next century. This remarkable lifespan means a parrot is truly a companion for life, a feathered family member passed down through generations. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward, creating a vice-like grip perfect for arboreal life. They use their feet with primate-like dexterity, lifting food to their mouths, the avian equivalent of using hands to eat. The kakapo is the world's heaviest and only flightless parrot. Having evolved without ground predators, it lost the need for flight over millennia. This extraordinary bird is critically endangered. Every individual is known, named, and monitored in a heroic conservation effort. Large macaws generate over 500 pounds per square inch of bite pressure, enough to crack the world's toughest nuts that would defeat almost any other animal. Their beaks combine brute force with fine motor control, a perfect marriage of power and finesse. Parrots have conquered every continent except Antarctica, from Amazon rainforest to Australian outback, adapting to vastly different climates and habitats. Even Patagonia has its resident parrot, the hardy Austral parakeet, proving their remarkable adaptability. Many parrot species form lifelong monogamous bonds. Once paired, they fly together, forage side by side, and communicate through private languages of calls and gestures. This enduring partnership allows them to become efficient, coordinated units, sharing the accumulated knowledge of 2 lifetimes. Nearly a third of parrot species face extinction from habitat destruction and illegal pet trade. Their beauty and intelligence make them highly sought after, decimating wild populations. But there is hope. Around the world, conservationists fight to protect habitats, combat poaching, and breed endangered species for release. From master mimics to lifelong partners, parrots challenge us to see the world with greater wonder and respect. What was the most surprising fact you learned today? Please share your favorite fact in the comments and consider liking and subscribing to continue these amazing animal stories. Thank you for joining this journey. Until next time, look closely at the world around you. It is full of wonders.